Kicking off the vlog with some Halloween decor hunting. Hey guys, should I do a haul? Yeah? Well, it's definitely not dinner time. Just to show you what I snagged at HomeGoods. This includes today and the tail end of my last vlog where we went to HomeGoods and then our car broke down. So I didn't show anything I got, but this is all that. This is what I got at the at home. This was all they really had that I was interested in. And then on that specific wow, let me try saying that again. On that specific HomeGoods trip, I got this blanket with the kitties. And I've literally been carrying it around everywhere for the last like 2 days like a toddler. I'm obsessed with it. I also got this one that I already hung up. Look how cute. Hi. So soft though. So cute. And it's like inverted on the inside, so it's like white with dark ghost. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to mess it up. Then on that visit, I also got the bat bowl and this snow globe. Thought it was really cute. And then today specifically, I've been wanting this since literally last year, but I never found one. So now we have this cute cookie jar. I'm literally gonna put Oreos in it right now. Well, after I wash it. I got this blankie for my bed. This will stay out year round because it's just spooky, not necessarily Halloween. Same with this. In case you're new here, I buy a lot of Halloween decor this time of year. Well, obviously this time of year for year-round decor, because even this stuff, like that stays out year-round, even though it's technically Halloween. I might keep this kicking around year-round as well, since it's like just bats. It doesn't scream Halloween the way like this one does. But I also picked up this blankie today and this pillow, because I thought it would match with the ghosty blanket really nicely. So that's the haul so far. First haul of the season. Right, Felix? Don't worry, you're the best pumpkin. He's one ripe pumpkin. Hello, how's it going? It's a couple days later. I've just been busy catching up on work stuff and haven't really vlogged much. But I figured I did acquire quite a few packages while I was away in New Orleans last week, so I figured I would show you the things that I'm really excited about, some things that I've already started filming with, and we can just chat about them because it's really exciting stuff. We can talk about what I'm wearing right now. Lethal Cosmetics sent me their 1UP collection. Look how cute! It even changes on the screen, and the inside looks like this. It's like a gaming controller. It is adorable. I just finished filming a 2 looks video with this, so that'll be up here on my channel very soon. And I also do plan on filming an additional look on TikTok/Instagram, so just stay tuned. We got some looks coming. In that package also were the 6 new Lumen lip glosses. They are so pretty. I'm wearing the shade Duality right now. I love these. They're very slippy and sparkly and wonderful. I did also film a lip swatch video with these for TikTok and Instagram. I think it's already up on TikTok right now, and it should be up on Instagram by the time this video goes up. But yeah, I got some glosses for you. Where to go next? Jolie Beauty sent me a package. So they reached out a while back wanting to send me their, I can't remember the name of the palette. It's like Enchant something, Enchantment, Enchantress. It's something of that nature. They wanted to send me that palette in their liquid lipsticks, and I was intrigued, so I was excited to get a package, and then I got the shipping confirmation, all that good stuff. But all that arrived, unfortunately, were just the liquid lipsticks. I did reach out to them, letting them know I didn't get the palette, even though I was supposed to, and I already got another shipping confirmation this morning of just the palette, so hopefully that'll be coming soon, and if so, I'll be playing with that at some point. The shades of the liquid lipsticks are Incantation, Bittersweet, and Forest Fairy. I'm really excited to try these out. They're really pretty colors. I have really high hopes that this formula is good, because last time when I bought a funky liquid lipstick color recently from Creature Cosmetics, I did not like the formula at all, so hopefully these are better. Speaking of liquid lipsticks, I just got these from Urban Decay like yesterday, I think, or the day before. It's these liquid lipsticks right here. It just says liquid lip color, but I know they claim to be like super budge proof, last 16 hours, yada, yada, yada. It makes me feel like we're back in like 2017. But they sent me 3 shades. I will try to remember to play with these at some point. I just have like a neutral, kind of a mauve-y shade, and then like a burgundy-ish sort of color, like a brownie kind of shade. So I'll give these a shot at some point. The Pastel Roses sent me such a cool package and I'm really excited about it. First are 4 of these flakies, which I'm really excited about. If you remember from a few vlogs ago, I actually got the most lovely subscriber gift with a couple things from overseas that I can't get as easily over here. I got a couple things from Pastel Roses and a couple things from like your like dollar store kind of stores, which was really, really cool. And the Pastel Roses things that were sent were a shadow called Cat's Eye, which I love, and a flaky shadow, which Edelyn stole. Yeah, I'm looking at you right now, you little bad girl. Literally don't know where it is. I have looked absolutely everywhere. I've looked under appliances, under every piece of furniture. It's simply vanished. I'm still hoping to find it. But regardless, they did actually send me 4 flakies of their own. I don't know if any of these are the shade that I initially got and then Edelyn stole, but I'm really excited about these regardless. I actually plan on doing a swatch party video with all of these products on my channel. I think I'm gonna film it tomorrow, so that should be up well before this vlog goes up. I'm really, really excited. I actually used some of Milky Way in today's look, kind of in the inner corner and just scattered on my eyes. I really like these so far and I'm excited to keep playing with them. I like how iridescent and shifty they are. And then the shadows. My goodness. 23 magical shadows. They are so pretty. I cannot wait to film my swatch party with these. I think I'll also include that Cat's Eye shade that I already own. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. I cannot wait to do this. I think I'll film like an Instagram video, just like playing with 1 or 2 of the shadows. I only have so many eyeballs and I want these to like stand out as much as possible. And then I'll film the swatch party for YouTube after. And then I'll just try to keep incorporating these in my looks going forward so I can get some use out of them. They are stunning. I also got this beautiful package. These are the new matching lip liners and lipsticks from Rare Beauty, and I'm really excited about all of these. I think I'm gonna film a lip swatch video for Instagram and TikTok as well. Probably tomorrow, actually. Maybe I'll film that after I film the Pastel Roses one. But I'm really excited about these. These were actually on my makeup wish list, so I'm really happy that they arrived. We have 10 lip liners and matching lipsticks, all different shades of like neutral and mauve tones ranging from like light to dark. There might even be a red in here actually. Like, are you a red? Bold? Yeah, it's reddish for sure. Yeah, I'm really excited about that. And then I had another package, but I guess I didn't bring it down, but Colourpop sent me their little, it's like a 10-piece package of Disney Princess lipsticks, and I think I'm about to film a lip swatch video right now actually, because I'm gonna be doing some sponsored content on TikTok for Colourpop this month, and I think I'll make that one of the videos, like lip swatching all of those. So I'm gonna go do that right now. I just wanted to pop on and say hello. I have some work to do before I head off to my day job in the salon. I'm gonna catch up on some more YouTube stuff. I hope you're having a lovely day. I'm sure we're gonna do some more Halloween decor hunting this week and I'm very excited. I need to go back to my Marshalls in Tuesday morning to see if ours have any yet, because ours do not. It was a ghost town. So far only our Home Goods has stuff, which we have a lot, so I'm really happy, but I'm just excited to see it continue to expand. And I think we're probably gonna go to At Home at some point at the end of this month again. I wish there was one in my town so bad. I would give anything to have an At Home like near me, but it's all right. I'm gonna clean this up now. I'll catch you later. Continuing on the makeup train, I also got this monstrosity of a package yesterday. The Ace Beauté Paletteopoly, bringing the fun back in makeup. This hasn't been completely revealed at this moment, but it'll be revealed by the time this vlog goes up, so we can dig in. I actually just finished filming swatches with all of this stuff, so I'm gonna film with it tomorrow. So it comes with this Paletteopoly board game. We have 4 lip products. There's 1 gloss and then 3 liquid lipsticks. We have 4 brushes, and then this has 2 sets of lashes, like a more natural pair and a fluffier pair. So basically on the inside of the board game, you get the palette itself, and then you get the instruction booklets, which I've already read through, and you get your little cheat sheet on like where the placement is if you aren't already familiar, and then the different scorecard thingies. Basically, this is palette bingo. You're gonna like draw random cards to figure out what your shades are gonna be and on what part of your eye. So yeah, I'm a little frightened on how it's gonna turn out when I film with it tomorrow. I do like this color story. I can't decide if it's like my favorite color story in the world, but I do quite like it. I think it's weird and fun. But yeah, I'm gonna film with this tomorrow, like following the rules or whatever, and then I'll probably do another look with it just on my own terms, like for an Instagram video or something, like using it the way that I would first want to use it. But I'm excited. I think this will be fun. I think it's a fun way to do makeup in a different way, maybe if you haven't thought of palette bingo before, stuff like that. We have some time on lunch break, so we're gonna swing by Michael's on Tuesday morning just to peek, just a little peek, see what they have going on. So we have some fall. It's not like heavy Halloween yet, but we have some fall. Ooh, fall and footballs. It's not fall without football.
Wow.
I can't express how much serotonin it gives me to see all of these bright fall colors. It makes me so happy. No Halloween yet here though, just some fall, which is not surprising. Tuesday morning is coming through. Blankies. What's this one? This one looks cute. Those are cute. I like this. It'd be really cute outside. Crows on a skull on a book. We're just gonna get these guys today, and I'm very excited about them. Hello and good morning. It's another day. It's been a few days since I've vlogged. I've just been busy with work, you know, and last night we hung out with one of my best friends and her husband, and we just watched movies and played video games, and now I'm here. I just got done filming for the day. I figured I would just show you some of the makeup I got sent the last couple days, and then I'm going to a tattoo appointment today, so I'll take you along for that as well. I got sent the Blend Bunny Primal palette. It's gorgeous. I mean, look at this look. This video should already be up on my channel by the time this vlog goes up. I'm filming a 2 looks video right now. But it's beautiful. It's so pretty. Her goal with this one was basically to kind of fill in the gaps of what the blends palette was missing, as far as like maybe some other undertones and things like that. There's shimmers in here that that palette didn't have. And she did these giant black and white pans as well, just as like refills for anyone who may have like completely used up their blends palette already, because people love that palette, myself included. And then I also got sent the Colourpop BT21 Bon Voyage palette. Looks like that. I did film with this for Instagram already, and then they sent me like all of the little super shocks as well. I'm keeping them in their box for now, just because I don't know which ones I'm gonna use. So I don't wanna open them. And then there were 3 lip oils, and I just kept one. Looks like that. It's called Across the Galaxy, and it's quite nice. Don't think I really have anything else though. I think that's it so far. It has been very heavy makeup the last like 2 weeks, my goodness, but that's it for that update. Yeah, tattoo appointment today. I'm leaving in about half an hour or so. And then I might do some Halloween decor hunting later too, because I can't be stopped. We are over halfway through July, folks. Like, I need to see pumpkins everywhere. Give it to me, stat. So I might do that, and that's the plan. When does this vlog even go up? Am I ending the vlog today? Probably not. Yeah, the vlog's not even going up till next Friday, so this won't be the last day of the vlog. I'm sure I will Halloween decor hunt at least one more time after today. So yeah, I'm just getting a small tattoo. I was working on my like big thigh piece for a while the last few times I vlogged getting tattoos. This is just one little arm guy, and I'm excited to potentially start this arm. I like kind of want to make it a whole sleeve like I did this one, but it's just so time consuming. Like, I don't even know how much time I spent on this whole arm, literally probably at least 60 hours, because it's just so in depth. And I don't know if I want to do that right now. So I'm just gonna start with one that I'd be okay with having standalone if I don't proceed with a sleeve, and then go from there. So that's the plan. I'll catch you there. Got my Oogie Boogie.
Yeah.
So cute. All right, quick little home goods peek. Let's see if anything's arrived since we were here last week. Yeah, it's grown quite a bit since we were last here. got the goods, just 2 goods today. Show the inside. It says spooky. Hello, it is a new day, obviously. I just got done filming this little look for TikTok and possibly Instagram. I can't remember if I'm uploading it to both or not. It's a video I did for Colourpop. I decided I should probably end the vlog here because clearly nothing else exciting is happening in between now and uploading the video. I think tomorrow it's getting uploaded anyway. Let me just do a peek. I don't remember when this is getting uploaded. Okay, it's going up on Friday. Today's Wednesday, but I'm just working today. I'm gonna work on some YouTube stuff and then head off to the salon, and then tomorrow I also just work. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't think I'm gonna do any more Halloween decor hunting before the next vlog starts, so that's gonna finish it up for this vlog. Next vlog will be fun. I'll do more Halloween decor hunting and just stuff like that. We'll just see how the next vlog goes, but I had fun hanging out with you for this one. We did some fun things. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me some Halloween emojis because we did some Halloween decor hunting in July. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe. If you want to see more of my videos, I'm posting most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.